Hello there, I'm Dr. Mark. I'm 60 years old, and I've spent over 30 years helping older adults stay healthy. Today, I want you to pause for a moment and ask yourself, have you ever felt like your body just isn't what it used to be? Do you find yourself needing to push off the chair to stand up, or struggling just to open a jar? One of my patients, Helen, 67 years old, once told me, "Doctor, I'm not afraid of aging. I'm afraid of the day I can't even use the bathroom by myself." I'll never forget the look in her eyes when she said that. It reminded me that muscle strength is the key to our independence. The good news is, even in our 60s or 70s, we can protect and even rebuild our muscle strength. Today, I want to share with you 11 powerful grains I often recommend to my patients to fight age-related muscle loss. This isn't just about nutrition. It's a way to keep standing tall, keep moving, and keep enjoying life. As we age, we naturally lose muscle, about 8 to 10% per decade after age 40. This process is called sarcopenia. But don't worry, this is not destiny. With smart nutrition and the right activity, we can slow it down or even reverse it. Think of your muscles like a bank account. If you withdraw more than you deposit, you go broke. Whole grains are one of the best ways to make deposits. They give you plant-based protein, minerals, and fiber that help rebuild muscle. Teff. One of my patients, George, 62, switched his morning toast for teff porridge. After 3 months, he told me he could climb stairs without gasping for air. Millet. If you still eat white rice daily, try swapping 1/3 of it for millet. It's rich in leucine, an amino acid that switches on muscle building. Buckwheat. It sounds like wheat, but it's gluten-free. Toasted buckwheat makes a great breakfast, keeping blood sugar steady and feeding your muscles. Wild rice. A patient once told me, "Doctor, I was surprised at how delicious wild rice was when I tried it." Oats. Oats with berries and nuts make a perfect breakfast. They fight inflammation, good for your heart and muscles. Quinoa. I call this the golden grain because it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Patients who eat quinoa often report having more energy. Amaranth. Packed with magnesium and iron. A patient of mine added it to her meals and told me she slept better and had fewer cramps. Sorghum. This gluten-free grain can be cooked like rice or popped like popcorn, giving you steady energy all day. Barley helps lower cholesterol, keeps your heart strong, and strong hearts support strong muscles. Flaxseed. A spoonful in your morning smoothie provides plant omega-3s, helping your joints and lowering inflammation. Chia seeds. I call these the super seeds. They hold water, keeping you hydrated, protecting bones and muscles. You don't have to eat all 11 tomorrow. Just start with one that feels easy. Small, consistent changes make a big difference. I also suggest light exercise, resistance bands, small dumbbells. After 6 months, my patients come back with brighter eyes, stronger muscles, and more confidence. Picture your muscles like a bridge connecting you to the life you love. Every grain you eat is another brick making that bridge stronger. So let me ask you, 6 months from now, what do you want your body to feel like? Do you want to depend on others? Or do you want to keep walking freely, doing the things you love? Today we went through 11 powerful grains, your quiet friends that keep your muscles strong. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with friends your age. Subscribe to this channel so I can keep sharing tips every week to help you stay healthy, happy, and independent. And leave a comment. Which grain will you try first? I'd love to hear your story.